Good morning, this is Sonia Ferreira from anyhousecleaning.com. Today we were hired to organize and clean and sanitize. This is the room of the kids. We have to organize all the books, dust. We are washing the sheets. Genesis is dusting all the shelf and organize a little all the toys. Vacuum, organize and put all the dresses inside the closet. Sonia is dusting right now all the shelf. In the meantime, Genesis is cleaning. Be careful. It's cleaning. It's getting more organized this room, right? Genesis is cleaning the bathroom. We're washing the sheets for the master bedroom and the two other rooms. And now we're folding the clothes in the laundry area. Bathroom. Then we have two girls, three and 4 in size, and 5 and 7, 6, 7. So we put the clothes, pajamas, panties, ballet. Everything here is dusty. Clothes was folded and put away. Nothing inside the washer, and I'm drying the sheets from the master bedroom. All the clothes that was here was put away. This is the laundry area. This room is already organized. We wash the sheets, we make the beds, we dust all the toys, we organize, and they are mopping the master bedroom for the kids, and now they're gonna start vacuuming. Dusting the blinds. We already finished to make the bed and dusting the whole room. So just dusting the blinds and then vacuum.